DrNorms is actually a family legacy business. We started the company to honor our dad. My brother and I, my brother's the co-founder. We started to honor our dad, the original Dr. Norm. He was an incredible old school style doctor in Los Angeles for over 30 years. Come on guys, I'll take you back and show you where the magic happens. So this here is a full rack, you can see, of freshly baked chocolate chip cookies. I still cannot get over the fact that this is my mom's recipe that goes out to the people in California that buy these as a way to help them feel better. That would just bring my mom so much joy, and there isn't one batch that we make that I don't think about that. Come on back. So you're gonna meet George. George, this is your time to be on camera. George is he's our Walter White of DrNorms. He takes all of the active ingredients, all the cannabinoids, and he doses them accordingly so that we're either gonna make 10 milligram cookies, 20 milligram cookies, 100 milligram cookies, chocolate brownies, salted caramel blondies, Rice Krispies, whatever we're doing, he does the absolute preciseness of dosing and then adds whatever fat we put in, which is what really supercharges the THC, to either coconut oil or butter, and that's what we then make the dough with. So we can watch him actually dosing. What are you making right now, George?
The berry crunch berry.
Okay, so this is our nano Captain Crunch Berry, and he's gonna be putting the THC in right now.
That's it.
Boom, baby. And this one little dose right there will make 50 Rice Krispie treats. This is what it's gonna look like when he's done with it. He'll mix the butter in with it. Okay, now we're moving on. This is what a batch of Snickerdoodle 10 milligram oil looks like. So this is the THC mixed with the butter, and then it'll go to Santa to make the dough, but I think we're doing this later today or tomorrow. Then over here, they're currently making the Rice Krispie Nano Captain Crunch Berry. So you can see Susanna here. Susanna, wave to us. Wave. Susanna is portioning everything out. So it's all following the recipe, the standard operating procedure, and she portions out every batch separately, and then come on in, you can see how it's done over here. These, by the way, are the machines that help us press them down so that they're all equal in size and weight, and our cutting machine that cuts them into the desired shapes. So once George makes the oil, it comes over here. These guys are making Rice Krispie treats right now, so they start with marshmallows, and they pour the butter and THC mixture in. It gets all melted down, then they'll add the cereal, and then it goes into one of these trays, and this tray has everything in it right now. This will ultimately be 50 bars, 100 milligram bars, and Santa puts it into this machine. It's gonna press it down. If we didn't do this part, it becomes very labor intensive and not very easy to get everything even. And as you know, in this industry, everything has to be about weight and exactness of weight so that your dosage is right on point. So now these have all been flattened to be the exact same height and thickness, and then all we have to do is cut them so that each one will weigh the 80 grams that it needs to weigh to be exactly 100 milligrams. You can see there's all of these going on at the same time, so that every 15 minutes we're making about 200 Rice Krispie treats. Come on and I'll show you how things go from manufacturing to actually getting on the shelves at stores. So this is the distribution arm of the company. So when all the finished goods, we'll show you in a minute where those all lay, but this is the fantastic distro team. They pack all the orders and make sure they get out efficiently, on time, and as fast as possible to you guys. In here is the storage area. So This is Grayson. He'll probably want his own 20 minutes on camera, but for right now, you just need to know he's the head of our distro team. So most of our products are stored in frozen storage, which we'll go into in a second. I don't know, maybe you guys want to put on the big jackets. But the products that don't need frozen storage, that can stay in ambient temperature, are all of our Rice Krispie treats, our sleep gummies, and our sleep vape. So that, just to give you a sense of the volume here, these shelves are filled with these products. You can kind of peek in here. So this is our Cinnamon Toast Crunch Rice Krispie treat. And this is our Fruity Pebbles Rice Krispie treat. Best selling product in the whole distro. Crazy to keep on shelves. This is our Sleep Vape, which is our newest product that we literally just launched. It's a 1 gram disposable rechargeable vape for sleep, and it has temperature control. So if you're a lower, medium, or high tolerance, you can set the temperature to control the draw that you get. Knocks you out. And take 1 hit at night into sleep for the rest of the night. So this is where all this magic happens. And then we'll show you. We can tell right now we need to be making because we're low. And then in here, good thing this isn't feel-o-vision. Because we want our customers to have the most fresh products as possible on store shelves, we keep everything frozen until it goes out to a store. And so this is just every one of our flavors stocked up here. So you've got our Snickerdoodle 10 milligram, our Snickerdoodle 100 milligram, our chocolate chip, my mom's recipe, our chocolate chip 20 milligram. Everything in here is, oh, this is our 1-to-1. This is an amazing one. CBD and THC, but this is just everything that's being held in what we call frozen storage for freshness. That's our red velvet, yummy. And there you have it. Thank you guys for coming on this little DrNorms tour with us today. Hope you'll give the brand a little taste now.